you, MSK sir, for a warm intro. Good morning, everyone. Doing this after ages, very afraid and thrilled. Let's get started. Let's see a flashback on how MJ Solutions got started. Entrepreneurship and marketing skills was in my blood. I used to manage my dad's shop at the age of 12. I wish Pankaj was my friend that time to get a better pictures. I take this moment to thank my dad for supporting me in all my decisions and being my mom as well, and my younger brother for his support. This is the article which this article got published right after I failed my 9th grade because education was not my cup of tea. This news gave my dad a great confidence that I will pull off my career, and this news was a game changer in my career. By using this article, I promoted myself on Facebook and ended up getting few clients. One of my few clients was a bookseller from Assam. We began working in 2012 and still he is one of my clients. Some of my activities and achievements covered in almost all the national medias. Unknowingly, this turned into a so-called startup. I pushed to give my business a name. So now, somewhere I had a passion for a dance, and I believed I was a huge fan of Michael Jackson. Wanted to name it into MJ. Also, my name was into MJ, Mohit Jain. So that is how MJ was born, my MJ Solutions. Now please don't tell me to dance. That was a childhood passion. That's MJ Solution, an award-winning marketing company. Let's take a look in Arkansas's way. These are the numbers what we have achieved in last 1 decade. 300 plus clients from 25 plus cities. We have spent more than 1 crore of ad spend for our client, with getting 900 crore impressions with more than 3 crore plus views. Wow. At MJ Solutions, we have our members across from country. This is the way we stay updated what's happening. Some of our members are from Mumbai, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Delhi, and Bangalore. The most talkative show has its own exclusive digital debut. Why don't we have a rapid fire round? Also, to make this session more interactive, you guys have to pitch in. My presentation is on you guys. Let's explore what we do. Rohan Bhaiya, can you please tell me what is the last social media app which you have used? What if I tell you the same social media app, that is Instagram, can help you to bring footfall for your showroom? We can help brands give them a personalized strategy using creative designs, content, hashtag, and so on. Here is a live example of some strategies we built for Care and Care. To make this feel appealing, we use something called as grid format, because it's a beauty brand. And speaking about Care and Care, we have completed 1 year with the brand today. And we believe this is just a start, and we have a long way to go. This is for Sanskriti, which was done on a friendship day. To gain more brand visibility, we use something called as moment marketing, which is what we do in trending topics. Example, recently happened Chess Olympiad, which was the talk of the town. I congratulate Team India for winning bronze. Moving on. Dr. Pravina, can you please tell me what is the last thing which you have Googled?
School skies.
Great. What if I say we can bring your brand top on the Google when someone search? Here is an example. When you search buy cotton lungi online, one of our client websites come in top 10 searches. We started that when it was in 18th position. Avinash sir, can you please tell me what is the last ad you saw on Google or any social platform?
An ad about pepper fry or urban ladder probably.
Great. What if I tell you we can show your showroom ad on the Google users, to the Google users? Have you ever wondered when you search something called as flight tickets and you go to make my trip, and right after that all the ads you see in your feed are all of flight tickets, right? So next time don't go Google, go with Shantina Travels. But do you know how that magic happens? People like us make that happen. On the various platforms, we can run ads on the basis of age, area-wise. If you have a store location around 5 kilometers, we can run ads, keeping targeted audience. Not only that, we can run ads on the behavior, interest of the consumer to generate leads for your business. Deju sir, can you please? Sorry. Can you please tell me, like, what is from whom did you receive last WhatsApp message, if you don't mind? Okay. I'm sure you'll be having a huge database to send bulk SMSs and WhatsApp messages. Right. We can help you with the bulk messaging solutions for OTPs, marketings and other stuff. And moving on to our next in-house influencer. Any guesses? Rightly said. Bhaiya, which influencer do you follow?
Go this way on Instagram.
Okay. Now I get it. Why do you follow her? She visited your store during the opening, and she posted this reel, which created a hype. She has more than 22k followers, and which was the talk of the town. Shruti ma'am, can you please tell me which is the last review you read on Google?
Ananta's Spas?
Great. Just like we did for Ananta's Spa, we can help you to get your business listed top on Google reviews. Next time, when you see these apps, don't forget you can refer to NJ Solutions. Few gifts that will change the way you connect with your clients. How would you like to have an email ID which says your business name but not @Gmail? We can help you with. We'll be helping you with the giveaway of getting your business email ID. Along with that, 2,000 of your contact will receive your poster of your business on their WhatsApp. Not only this, how about a social media audit with 65 plus checklist, hygiene and double security layer for your business social media accounts. These are my views and asks. I'll be sharing this later on the group. Does your business need a digital boost? As title given by Nitin, please contact Dr. Mohit Jain, your digital doctor. This is Mohit Jain signing off. Thank you so very much. Special thanks to my mentor, sponsor and the marketing team for standing up. Thank you.